Biotransformation occurs by substrate is converted into product by the presence of enzyme, the biotransformation. In this, the more toxic substance is converted into less toxic. We had studied in the pharmacology and toxicology, where the poison and all substances. So the liver basically helps to convert more toxic into less toxic substances. Now, in this the substrate is converted into products and types of reaction. For a few examples we'll study. Tryptophan, Bacillus subtilis, is converted tryptophan is converted into 5-hydroxytryptophan in the presence of Bacillus subtilis. And second is benzaldehyde is an aldehyde converted to benzyl alcohol. Here reaction occur in the presence of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Third is methyl urate is converted into methanol in presence of Mycobacterium filiae. It is basically the hydrolysis process. Streptomycin is converted into streptomycin phosphate by Streptomycin greviosus. It is a condensation reaction. Biocatalyst, basically we have studied that biotransformation reaction requires a large range of biological catalysts, including these catalysts includes the growing cells. The growing cells are desired cells that are cultivated in a medium. Emulsifiers is added to solubilize the substrate. Second one, examples of biocatalysis is immobilized cells. These cells can be used to carry out the biotransformation reaction and basically occur by immobilized enzymes helps in biotransformation reactions. Example is commercial production of L-alanine. Now the third is immobilized enzyme. Immobilized enzymes basically the enzymes that helps in basically various processes. Its advantages are required basically undesired reaction doesn't occur. Desired product we get which doesn't get degraded. Isolation and recovery of the product is simple and easy. Example of this is glucose isomerase and penicillin acylase. Biotransformation, it helps in production of steroid with the help of streptomycin and aspergillus and penicillin species. Product formation occur biotransformation has greater polarity.